In today's quick video, let's talk about fenugreek. Let's dive in. Fenugreek is a very popular herb and also used as a spice in places like India. It is often used in Ayurvedic medicine, both medicinally and for food and spice as well. With this herb, you can often use the seeds as well as the leaves. And again, they can both be eaten and used medicinally. The seed is often used orally, and we generally see dosages of 5 to 10 grams when using the seed. It is often used more on a long term, with studies showing usage from 1 to 3 years. This herb is generally well tolerated, but when using higher dosages, it can often cause abdominal pain, cramping, gas and bloating, and even dyspepsia, so be careful with that. This herb is also used quite a bit for lactation and increasing milk production, but is generally contraindicated during pregnancy. Like many herbs I talk about on this channel, fenugreek is a powerful antioxidant, meaning it can help scavenge free radicals and help prevent oxidative stress. But more commonly, we often see fenugreek used for its anti-diabetic effects. There have been quite a few clinical studies with this herb, and it often shows to reduce postprandial or after you eat blood glucose levels. This makes it a great addition for people with type 2 diabetes and things like pre-diabetes, helping to reduce those blood glucose levels. This herb is also great in helping to reduce cholesterol, but more specifically the LDL cholesterol, which is generally our bad cholesterol. There's a little bit more nuance to that, but generally the one that we're often trying to reduce to help prevent cardiovascular risk. So you may often see it used to bring down LDL as well as triglycerides. Another interesting use for fenugreek is that it can also affect hormone levels in both men and women. Some studies I have seen in males have actually increased free testosterone production, and for females it has helped to modulate or increase things like estradiol, FSH, and LH as well. Again, all of these different use cases are dose dependent, so definitely make sure that you're working with a practitioner who knows how to use these herbs and knows which form, the seed or the leaf that you should be using. Now, how do I use this herb in practice? Well, for me, I will generally add this in if I'm working with someone who is working to reduce their cholesterol, or if they have something like pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes and we're really working to bring those levels down. For me, this is a great herb to add in if it is well tolerated by your GI tract, especially if, again, we are working with things like pre-diabetes or diabetes. And often in those cases, I'm working with a lot of fatigue and a lot of oxidative stress. So this is a great option in working with that. All right, I hope that this was helpful. If you have any questions or if you would like to share your experience with fenugreek down below, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Otherwise, if you'd like to learn more about pre-diabetes, why don't you check out this video here. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.